This training is how to sign into your flat panel with your Google credentials. We want you to think of your flat panel as another computer in your classroom. It's just on the wall. So what you would like to do is to sign into your Google credentials on the flat panel instead of going in to individually sign in with Google Apps or on Google Chrome. So the first thing you're going to need is make sure you have your backup codes or you're near the phone that you use for multi-factor authentication, because you will need that when we get ready to sign in. So when you are in front of your panel, you're going to use one finger and slide down and get to this screen, and at the bottom center you're going to select the gear, tap that once, and on the left hand side you're going to scroll up until you get to passwords and accounts and tap that. So from here you're then going to select add an account, and you're just signing in with your Woodland credentials. So I'm going to go to Google, and I'm going to go ahead and get ready to sign in to my email. Make sure I've got it correct. awalker@dis50.net. Click next. Enter my password. Click next, and then now it's going to ask me to go ahead and do the two-step. Okay, so I am going to use one of my backup codes, and I already wrote mine down. And then I'm going to hit the arrow. Make sure you go ahead and agree. Okay, so now from this screen, it's saying backup device data, automatically back up your data. From this, we do not want to do that. So we don't want to back up the data on our flat panel, so we want to make sure we toggle this off. So toggle that off, and then at the bottom, click your accept. And then we can see that I am logged in to my account. So we're good to go there. Now I just want to make sure that everything is good, and I am on my applications with my Google Drive. So I'm going to just go back home, go to my apps, and I am going to go to my Drive, and hopefully I'm signed in, and I am. So now I can see that all of my activities, and oh, there's great, setting up I didn't even mean to do that. So setting up my Google on the flat panel, you can see that I can have access to everything on my panel just like I would on my laptop, and I am not even mirroring or doing anything. Okay. All right. Now, if you want to figure out how to sign out of Google, so let's say you are in someone else's classroom and you're doing a training, then you can do the same thing. You can locate, if you want to do the one finger, go to your gear, and then when you do this, you can go down to your passwords and accounts again. So I'm in passwords and account. I'm going to click on my actual account, and I can just remove account. So if you are in B116 or 17, a PD room, if you're anywhere in the district and you're training, if you're admin or something like that, or for whatever reason, and you want to have your credentials on a flat panel, this is how you can sign in very quickly, and then just make sure that you remove the account from the board once you get started. So otherwise you can just be, mirroring directly from your laptop as well. So that's what we really suggest you do. But if you're in there for a long period of time, then it's really just up to you, a personal choice. Just keep with the understanding of the caveat that you do need to make sure that you remove your account once you are done. Okay, that is how you set up and to remove and to connect your Google Drive to your flat panel.